Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video about bold reports. In this tutorial, I will show you how to embed RDL reports using bold reports. You can embed directly within your application or use the reports published on platforms like Bold Reports Server, SSRS Server, or SharePoint Server. If you're interested in learning how to embed a report directly within your application, there's a helpful video link in the description that'll guide you through the process step by step. For this demonstration, let's focus on embedding a report from the Bold Reports server. Additionally, there's another link in the video description that demonstrates how to set up Bold Reports server in Docker, also step by step. Before embedding the report, let me create a new ASP.NET Core application. Run this command to create a new application. Once the application is created, I need to install the NuGet packages. I install the boldreports.aspnet.core and system.data.sql client packages to the core application. I copy the necessary style sheets from the documentation and add them to the layout.cs.html page. Then I add the script manager to layout.cs.html. I initialize the report viewer by adding the necessary tag helpers to the viewImports.cs.html page. Next, open the index.cs.html page and add the bold report viewer. I add the report service URL and report server URL inside the bold report viewer tag. I generate the authorization token from the bold report server and add it to the Bold Report Viewer tag. I also add the path of the report to render it in the Bold Report Viewer. Now I build and run the application and open the URL in the browser. Looking here, the sales order detail report opens in the Report Viewer control. In this video, I have shown you how to embed the already created report in an ASP.NET Core application in minutes. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.